Now that we have everything removed off of the damaged panel and made all of our pulls, this is ready for any body shop to apply their plastic filler after they properly prep it. But being picky like I am, I can still see a tiny little low spot right here in the door that I would want to take care of. What makes it great about ProSpot's new glue pull tab system is that we have 85 different attachments that come in all different shapes and sizes. Flexible, V-shaped, U-shaped, so we can pull body lines, all different kinds of contours. And then we have these little guys, which are really nice for a single pull in a precise location like this one. So this guy, I can easily put that right into the low spot with glue, wait 4 minutes, and then I can either use a slide hammer or use ProSpot's Pro Pull and have a real nice single pull in a real precise point to finish off that last low spot and have it ready for filler.